Hey there and welcome back. Now in this part, I'm going to discuss text area. In my previous video, I have discussed about text field, which is a one-line text input box. Now in this part, I'm going to discuss text area, which is about a multi-line reason, which is used for displaying the text. Okay, so let me create a simple text area program using Java Swing. Before jumping into a practical section, one more thing I want to say that the notepad which I'm going to use is actually a huge text area, a multi-line text area where you can write anything into it. So this is all. Notepad is also an example of GUI application, and this white screen shown on my notepad is an text area, a multi-line text area where you can put multiple lines into it. So let's start with our practical session. The first of all thing, you have to import the packages of your Java swings. So just use the syntax import javax.swing.asterisk, and then inside it just write the name of your class. These are some of the components which should be on your program. In my previous video of text field, buttons and labels, where I have created classes, then I created instance for my frame, all the things seems to same. And in this I'm just going to create a constructor for my program. This is a association method. I told you in my first introductory video only that there are three ways you can use this Java Swing. One of the methods is I'm showing right in front of you. So just create your frame instance and then create an instance for text area. The procedure is same, just you have to use new keyword and the name of your GUI component. Now I'm going to set the boundary for my area, that is the name of an instance for my text area. 10, 30, 200, 200. This 10, 30 is our coordinate, the location of my text area, and this 200, 200 is the size of my text area, the height and width. You can also change it according to yourself. Add this text area into your frame and change the size of frame using set size. I'm going to set the size of my frame 300, 300. So you can see that the size of my area, text area, is 200, 200, and the frame size is 300, 300, which means almost uh, almost 65 to 70% area will be covered by my text area of my frame. Okay, so to look like our application like a notepad, you have to create use a menu GUI component, which I'm going to tell you in my further videos. A menu component is another important GUI component. Okay, but in this video I'm just going to use this text area so that you can able to create text area in your application. Okay, so now I'm going to create my, as you can see, created my void main method and called text area a constructor. Now I'm going to save this file, and the file name will be textarea.java. Keep in mind the name of your class and the name of your file should be same so that there no error will be arise. Now once you save the file, open your command prompt and execute it. For compiling the Java program, just write javac command and the name of your file with the extension Java. Then hit the enter button and yeah, there's a error in my Java program. Let me check it out. Just open this Java file, this TextArea.java file, and check out the error. Yes, this example should be not there, as I have just written the name of my constructor text area in my void main. So save this file, save the changes which you did right now. Now open the command prompt and use the history power of command prompt so that you don't need to have this JavaScript text area.java again. Hit it. As you can see, it executed successfully. Now run the class file. This is a text area, as you can write multiple lines into it. This looks like a simple notepad. Okay. Now add menu components when I will going to discuss into my upcoming videos, and make your own notepad. Okay. So this is all about text area, another important GUI of Java Swing. Hope you understand. Thank you.